So I'm back at a car that I condemned a condenser on for a shop, and they replaced the condenser and they replaced the expansion valve. And look at that nice job they did. Now this is what I usually don't see at shops. You see that foam right there? Do you know how many shops leave that foam off? You see that foam right there? So many shops don't put that on, or they get real cheap afterward. Look at this. All the decayed foam from their old one, he put it back in here. He has it nice and straight. It's sealed, it's tight, no air can pass through. He made sure all the foam was back here from the old foam. Right there, you see that foam right there? He made sure that's all in place. Now this is what I rarely see. I'm at Pat's Garage in San Francisco. These guys, they get on the software, they read the computers, they read procedures. They actually diagnose and fix cars, and this is what I like to see. It's not one of those rush places that we are all too familiar with, and the owner actually spends money for all the diagnostic equipment and the software and everything like that, multiple different factory scanners, and there's no problem with his technicians actually stopping the job and reading and actually diagnosing and not shotgunning their problems. I don't come across too many good shops like this. If I was a kid and I was starting over again, this is one of, on my hand, I could count the shops that, if I was going to get into the automotive, this is one of the shops that I would have liked to start in when I was young. And yeah, because it's not one of those rush job kind of places. Good job. All right, guys, I'll see you later. I just like to see attention to detail, and especially they make sure the foam is back on there, because that's what stops all the air from pulling through the hot air when the hood is closed. That gives poor performance, especially with cheap aftermarket condensers. So it looks like they put an OE on there. All right, guys, see ya.